What's up, 8Gen fam? I'm gonna show you what I did here. I'm gonna be hooking up aftermarket double din with DVD and navigation, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. This is for a 2009 SI with the premium audio. So here you just color code the wires, just match them up. Already tested out the speakers and they work. And what I did with the ground wire, with the help of you guys on my post earlier, I took the park switch and I just straight spliced it in with the ground wire so the DVD will work while parked and driving. And on this side, the antenna connection, what I think it is, I have the adapter for the antenna because this is the antenna plug, and this end will go into the head unit so your radio will work, AM FM. And then I have another wire spliced into it, and this is just for the premium audio. And I'm gonna be running this wire, I'm gonna be slicing it to a different part of the harness for the amp turn on. So that's how you run the factory amp with an aftermarket head unit. So you just connect this to the amp turn on wire and it'll work. I already tested it and it worked. And this is how I set it up. I just set it up with this remote wire, or the antenna. And these wires I'm not using, they're like backup cameras and dash cams that I did not get, and the steering wheel control, which I'm not gonna get. And that's it. I'm gonna be installing it on Tuesday when I get the dash kit. And yep,